Well, we're back. It's 2022. Time for another price prediction for ZCash. And if you are subscribed to this channel, you know that I'm a lover of ZCash. I love all the privacy coins, and I honestly believe that one day we're all gonna wake up and realize that we need privacy for all of our transactions. And it doesn't matter if you're using Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Tezos. I think we're gonna wake up one day and everybody's gonna realize that the privacy coins were the superior coins in the first place. So I've always had a little bit of ZCash in my bag. And if you guys were watching what was going on with ZCash last year, you saw that it did some incredible things. Let's just look at the 1 year picture and look at what's going on. Way back on the 1st of 2000, January 27th of 2021, we were sitting at $86. I want y'all to see that we are almost right back to where we started from. That's right. Right now, we are in January the 23rd, 2022, and we're sitting at $94. It's like all the gains that were made in 2021 are just gone. Okay? But that doesn't mean that this is not a good investment. If we look at the entire lifespan of ZCash, we can see that it's just been a rocky road. It's been a rocky road. It goes up and down, up and down. I still believe that if we look at the actual real value of the usage of this blockchain and how you can actually encrypt your transactions to the point where no one knows who you sent it to or no one knows who sent something to you, that is valuable. That is valuable. And I think one day the world is going to wake up and realize that we need this kind of capability. So the fact that in 2021, around May 6th, it hit $318, and now we're sitting here at around $100, 3 times on your money. Okay, again, over here at $86 all the way up to $300 something. Okay, it's a little over 3 times on your money. Do I think that can happen again in 2022? Absolutely, and more. I think we can see a $500 ZCash in 2022. That's my price prediction for 2022. I hope you guys have enjoyed this analysis. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll catch you on the next one.